That's pretty. Where'd you get that, Brinkmeyer's?
Do you think I should go?
Oh, that's up to you.
No, it's really up to Lydia, isn't it?
Never mind Lydia. Do you want to go?
Yes.
Then go.
Thank you, Annie.
Oh, wonder who that can be. Someone there? Who is it?
Look.
Poor thing. Probably lost his way in the dark.
But it isn't dark, Annie. There's a full moon. Oh, I really shouldn't have any more. I'm driving.
Well, actually, I'm trying to get you to stay for dinner. A lot of roast beef left over.
No, I couldn't possibly. I have to get back.
All right. Cheers.
Cheers.